Objective: to design a simple augmented reality (AR) or virtual reality (VR) experience. Students can choose between creating their experience digitally using available tools or designing it on paper. This project allows students to explore AR and VR technologies while encouraging creativity and problem solving. Materials needed: 1. For digital creation, access to AR VR tools or platforms such as Google AR, CoSpaces for VR, tablets or smartphones for AR, VR headsets, optional for VR experiences, internet access if using online tools. 2. For paper creation, paper, pencils, markers, or colored pencils, ruler, optional, for neat designs, craft materials, optional, for a creative 3D touch. Digital creation example, experience type, augmented reality, AR, theme, virtual pet adventure, concept. In this AR experience, users can adopt a virtual pet, like a cat or dog, that appears in their real-world environment. The virtual pet walks around your home or classroom, responds to commands like sit, jump, or fetch, and can interact with real objects, such as following a toy that you place in front of your device's camera. Tools to use: platforms like Google AR allow you to overlay digital animals into the real world. CoSpaces can also be used to create a simple AR environment. How to create: 1. Open the AR platform, Google AR or similar. 2. Choose an animal or character that will appear in your real-world space. 3. Use the camera on your phone or tablet to see the virtual animal walking around your room. 4. Add interactive elements like feeding or playing with the virtual pet by tapping the screen. Presentation: showcase the experience, demonstrate how the virtual pet responds to the real-world environment, explain the interaction, describe how users can interact with the pet by giving commands or placing real objects for it to follow. Paper creation example, experience type, virtual reality, VR, theme, space exploration adventure, concept. In this VR experience, users wear a VR headset to explore a virtual space station orbiting around distant planets. They can navigate through the space station, control a spacecraft, and visit alien planets. The user experiences weightlessness, and the visual effects show stars, galaxies, and space objects all around them. How to design on paper: 1. Draw the space station, sketch out the space station, including rooms, control panels, and windows that show the view of space. To draw the planets and galaxy, show planets, stars, and other space objects outside the windows of the station. 3. User interaction, describe how users would interact with the VR environment. For example, they can touch buttons on the control panel to launch their spacecraft or float in zero gravity to explore different parts of the station. 4. Design the virtual spacecraft, draw the spacecraft that users will fly to visit different planets. Presentation: showcase the drawings, present the sketches of the space station, the virtual spacecraft, and the planets users can visit. Explain the interaction, describe how users would interact with the environment in VR. Example: floating around in zero gravity, pressing buttons to control the spacecraft. Conclusion: by completing either a digital or paper-based AR/VR project, students will understand how AR or VR works by designing a simple experience, explore the creative process of building a virtual world or adding digital elements to the real world, develop skills in technology use, digital creation, or conceptual design, paper creation. Gain experience presenting their ideas and explaining how their project works.